a single stone. By now you must already be familiar with this. This is you are A and you are B. Let's say A has done 9 referrals on left and 9 referrals on right, and the same case with Mr. B. Now let's calculate how much A has earned at this point of time. Can you tell me how many cycles does A make? If your answer is 2 cycles, then you have done your math right. For those who didn't get it, let me explain. Recall that 6:3 or 3:6 will make a cycle. So when the system tries to calculate A's cycle, it would consider 6 referrals from the left team and 3 referrals from the right team for the first cycle. Now 3 referrals remain on left and 6 referrals remain on right. So that makes the second cycle. You got it, right? So the total income could be calculated as 13,800 for the first cycle inclusive of the bonuses and 6,000 for the second cycle, totaling to 19,800. Similarly, the same for Mr. B. Now let's calculate your income. My friend, it's a win-win situation. When A and B make 2 cycles each, you make 4 cycles. You have totally 18 referrals on your left and 18 referrals on your right, which makes 4 cycles, and your income is 31,800. Now your profit 31,800 minus your investment 9,500, which is 22,300. Now here is the smart thing to do. Instead of investing in one business center, you can go for 3. This is known as tripod. I hope that you have observed that A and B has been replaced by yourself now. Now here your investment is 9,500 into 3, which is 28,500, but you must also notice that for the same referral count, now your income is 31,800 plus 19,800 plus 19,800, totally 71,400. Let's check your profit. 71,400 minus your investment 28,500, your profit is now 42,900. You have just doubled your returns. For the same referral count in one business center, you make a profit of 22,300, wherein with tripod you make a profit of 42,900. Meanwhile with 7 IDs you make 60,100. So maximize your return with the same effort by going for a tripod or a 7-header. Now some important information that you need to consider. MyVideoTalk is a US based company. All payments will be calculated in US dollar. The payment will be done in Indian rupees after tax of 10.3%. So the money what you earn is purely white money. $1 is presently fixed at 40 for all cash transactions. An annual account maintenance fee of rupees 2,000 will be charged at the end of the year. Now, I had also told you that the product pricing is something that no other company could offer, because this is the reason. The actual price for these services in the international market is $350 plus $50 every month, which when analyzed and converted to Indian rupees comes close to about 70,000 rupees. Now when the company launched in India in 2007, the services were promoted at this price. But in the Indian market, this pricing was not well received. In turn, the leaders negotiated with the company and asked for a drop in price. Now the company cannot afford to reduce the price as it has its own overheads. Now that is when the concept of GPU, group personal usage, was introduced. GPU deducts 10% of your weekly payouts to compensate for the difference in price. So remember, whenever you earn and only if you earn, GPU is applicable to you. This is the reason why companies offering similar technologies cannot even match our company in pricing, because the consumers are compensating, which never happens in traditional marketing. Now let's look at this graph which represents the growth of a company. Any company or industry goes through 4 phases. Formulation, where the company starts, concentration, where the company lays the foundation, momentum, where its business shoots up, and stability, when the company's operations are stable. Now there are two kinds of people, leaders and followers. A follower is one who joined the industry in the stable phase because he thinks there are less risks, company is stable and well known. But he has forgotten one important detail, that majority of people are followers. And when all of them are looking for the job or opportunity, there is cutthroat competition that we have to face. And then, my friend, the law of the jungle applies. Survival of the fittest. On the other hand, the leaders or the visionary is one who joins in the initial phase because he knows that he has the entire market to conquer without competition. And they are the smart ones who reap the benefits in the stable phase. Now this applies to any industry around you. Let's say the IT industry. 20 years ago, when the concept of the software engineer was introduced, people were very skeptical. Can we trust a private firm, job security, etc., etc. Today, everybody wants to become a software engineer because of the IT revolution what happened. But in actuality, you know that no matter how impressive your CV reads, it's highly competitive and it's very difficult to get a job. Whereas in the earlier days, even basic knowledge of computers could get you placed effortlessly in reputed companies. Same is the case with any other industries like medical, real estate, etc. Take anyone, the Birlas, the Ambanis, Bill Gates, Narayan Murthy. These were all visionaries who were initial movers in their respective industries. Now my video talk is in the initial stage, and trust me, my dear friend, you are one of the lucky ones to be seeing this opportunity at this stage. People say time is money, but I will say to you, timing is money. That is what even Mark Twain said. The secret of success is to find out where people are going and get there first. Now, when Bill Gates, who was ranked as the richest man in the world by the Forbes group, was asked, "How did you do this?" he smiled and replied, "My dear friend, I was in the right place at the right time. Second, I saw the vision, and most important, I took action." Call it fate or whatever you want. Today you are here at the right time, at the right place. I am sharing with you the vision we have. The next is something which only you can do. Take action. Now recognition in our company starts when you are at 1 lakh a week achiever. Your photo is posted in our website www.myvideotalkindia.com. Do take some time to visit our website to see all the achievers in India. Let me introduce some of the achievers in my team at the moment. This is Mr. A.K. Jamaluddin, Dr. Shakir Ahmad from Kerala, and Mr. Naushad, who are the 1 lakh President Club members. Let's move on to the top earner club in India. This is Mr. and Mrs. Dr. Robin, who is an Emerald Executive. Next, this is Mr. and Mrs. Abdul Latif, who is a Diamond Executive. Moving on, this is Mr. Hardeep Singh, who is the first My Video Talker who is a Blue Diamond, and his better half Tarinderjeet Kaur, who is again a Diamond. And now presenting to you India's #1 ranked earner in My Video Talk, Mr. Ankur Agarwal, who is the first presidential Blue Diamond in India. And yours truly, Manjunath Nagaraj, India's second presidential Blue Diamond.